How's everyone doing? In today's video we're going to look at the symptoms of a sheared flywheel. So what I'd like you guys to focus your attention on is the pull cord. Now I see a lot of pull cords that come in and they're broken off, and this is most likely in conjunction with the fact that it has a broken flywheel key. So this is pretty aggressive when this happens. It does hurt. So if you have this symptom, most likely you have a broken flywheel key. There you have it, guys. First pull on that thing, and it snapped back in my hand pretty bad. I mean, this mower's seen better days. I'm not even sure where I'm going to go with it. I am going to check the flywheel key. Alright guys, here's the moment of truth. I thought I'd wait and show everybody all at the same time. I have not had this thing off just yet, but let's get her off and see what the flywheel key looks like. Wow, okay, well, as I suspected, this bad boy is sheared, and sheared something bad. Alright, I'll get a pointer here. So, here is the groove in the crankshaft, and that is supposed to line up with the groove on the flywheel. And take a look where that is. Nowhere near. It's out probably an eighth or a quarter of a turn. So, guys, that's just confirmation that sheared flywheel keys, A, you won't get the thing started, B, it's going to snap back in your arm and it hurts. So until next time, guys, thanks for tuning in, and if you learned something and you liked what you saw there for the content, please hit the subscribe button. It really helps me out. Until next time, take care.